fella has major milk face going on right there. What's up, guys? Trying to get ready for the deep freeze that is coming. Here goes it. Here goes the Ellie dog. Yeah, we got a deep freeze coming here. Coming a Arctic blast down out of Canada, and really, you're talking about -2 and different things here. So I'm thinking ponds are gonna freeze, a lot of stuff's gonna freeze. So I gotta try to get these guys moved over with the other cows over here in the barn lot, because I've got heaters and stuff in my water tanks over there, and I can keep those from freezing because I know the pond's gonna freeze. And so yeah, I got to get some of these tanks put out, heaters put in, get them filled up, move these cows. But first we're gonna give them a little feed here. So I want to try to show you something here. New surprise I got the other day. New baby goats. Ellie the Wonder Dog, hey! I'm hoping this goes rather smoothly. We just screw that in on. Stick this one in and good to go. Oh, it's by far not the best place to be filming inside the barn or shed here. I'm not turned the tractor on yet, so I'm hoping not to get hydraulic fluid dripping everywhere until I get it hooked up. But what we should have to do is just get it screwed in right here and we'll be done. Fairly certain I'm going to pour this all over everything. I need a different type of funnel or some better method than that, but it's working. It's getting the fluid in there. We'll get the fluid in and check everything. I think we should be good. It's not hard to tell which ones that have been replaced before. They're nice and shiny, but I got to get those, get some zip ties, get those things zip tied up. But put the new hose on. Lift it up and down, side shift, or not side shift, but tilt it up and down, and no leaks. So I think we're back in business. We can get back to putting out hay with the new hauling. So I've got 3 tanks over there. That one that I took home to work on, I don't remember if I put that in the video or not. I had one that's leaking, but I took it home, filled it up. It's been holding water. So I don't know what's up with that. But we're gonna give it a try now. We're gonna fill it up. I got 3 heaters to put on it. Like I said, we got I think snow coming Sunday night. Monday's supposed to be it fluctuates, but high of 16, low of -3, and the next day 14. Pretty cold weather for here, so you'll be able to ice skate on our ponds before long. I've already used up all my hay that was in the that was exposed. Now I'm down to my hay that's under the tarp. I'm I'm sure you can have a whole debate on that, and I may talk about it. The tarp or permanent. This is a cool little tarp here. It's like breathable. I can put roughly 50 bales under, and I mean they look pretty good. They've been covered up since I bailed them, but we're gonna take it over here, put it out for these cows, check those water tanks. I think I'm gonna wait and move these cows like Saturday, because they still got a little hay in their hay ring left. So I want them to eat that up. I don't want it to go to waste. So Saturday when I get off work, I'll move them over there. I already have the tanks full. I'll like pop my little heaters in. Should be good to go. Well, not only do we have a winter storm coming, it's 58 degrees today. So cold weather, warm weather, storms coming tomorrow. Really think into tonight and tomorrow morning, but supposed to get another 1.5 to 2 inches of rain, which will be good for the duck hole. And it'll be good for the severe drought that we've been in here too. Well, gotta get some hay. Gotta get some hay for the goats. The goats are out of hay. Everybody's out of hay. Get out of there. Go. Go. So I got one more surprise to show you if he's out here. I got these young goats, year old, that I brought over here to wean. So I don't know if you could see that or not. Whoa, Ellie. It's another baby goat. So I got 2 females over at the barn, and then I got a little male here at the house. That kind of answers my question. I kind of thought maybe they were bred, or one of them was anyway, but I guess that answers my question. Not sure about the other one. I was going to bring Norman, my pygmy, over here and put him in there with her, and maybe take that other one, put back with the rest of the herd, or I may take both of them back over there. I just got to figure that out.